So here we are in week 2, trying to do a find the word activity. We're in edit mode. We come to a new, should have been here. Okay, so we go to the plus sign, add content, come to activity and resource. Go to activities, add an H5P. And here, in general, we're going to go and do this directly in the content bank. And in content bank, we're going to say find the word, find the words. And the title will be banking vocabulary. This would be find the words in the grid. The vocab could be, for example, account, check. We use a Canadian spelling. Sorry, no space. Sign, amount, balance, transfer, debit, credit, transaction, enter, as in enter your PIN, swipe, tap, the different ways we use a card, and let's say the last one, statement. So here we have the word, and what we're going to do is, say save. And there it is, created with the words. Just make sure that the spellings are all correct. And this is ready to check. So let's check it. So for example, I find the word credit or balance and debit. There we go. Oh, sorry. Debit. Okay. Once we are done here, we find the words, we go back to, this is saved here in the integrating technology. We go back to our content bank and then look for the banking vocabulary here. And here are the words, and then we can upload it to the site, to the shell, and there you have it.